What is going on, guys? Just going to be another quick fix video for anyone having this. I wouldn't call it an error because it is actually intentional. So if you've ever selected something in the past and you've gone, oh, you know, I want these to actually be one mesh, but I've already UV mapped them. You think to yourself, okay, I'll combine them. And then one of the UV maps just completely disappear. The reason that this is happening, at least for my reason, that I've experienced quite a lot, is you go to your UVs and you go to UV set editor, it's because they have two different names. So the UVs are still there, it's just that under, you know, two different names. So what I recommend doing, before you combine them, at least this is what I've been doing to fix it, just come into your UV sets, look at the name, so UV map, rename it UV map, exactly with all the capitals. Now when I combine them together, they'll come on the one UV map, and then I could do whatever I want with them, and, you know, do what I intended to do from the start. I hope this fixed a couple of people's problems. I know I had this problem for a while when I was streaming. A lot of people in chat didn't realize that this was even why it was happening. So yeah, hope this fixed a couple of people's issues, and I guess you guys next time. Bye bye.